Good morning, guys. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to bring y'all along with our first day of school this year, of homeschool that is. For any of y'all that are new to the channel, I chose to homeschool last year, so this will be my second year homeschooling. My little boy went to public school for kindergarten and first grade before I made the decision to go ahead and start homeschooling. This will be Maggie's first year. She'll be in kindergarten, and I wanted to give you a little look into what it looks like to homeschool here at my house. Now, any of y'all that are thinking about homeschooling, are a little intimidated by it, see the pictures on Facebook, Instagram of the perfect little classrooms that people make inside their home, that is wonderful, but I'm just going to be real with y'all. That's what this channel is about, is real life. I live in a very small house. I don't have room for a classroom, y'all. Our classroom's wherever we want to make it. The curriculum I'm using this year is called The Good and the Beautiful. My first year, we used Master Books. Master Books was wonderful, especially where I was a beginner. It was very straightforward, told me exactly what to do. But I wanted to give The Good and the Beautiful a try. Read a lot of good things about it, and looking through the books, I think we're really gonna enjoy it. So some first thing to keep in mind if you are thinking about homeschooling is this is not public school at home. We do not sit here for 6 hours working on school. I will tell you that, number one. Number two, this is our first day of book work, y'all. We learn something new every day. Even me, at my age, I learn something new every day. And me and Andy are always trying to teach the kids different things. And we consider that school as well. It's knowledge that they need to know. But like I said, as far as book work, today is our first official day of getting back into the books. Yes, it's after Labor Day. No, I don't start when public school starts. And no, I don't take a lot of the holidays public school takes. You don't have to. You know, every state has different laws, but the state of North Carolina is pretty relaxed, I feel like, in their laws. And I think there are other states that are actually even more relaxed than North Carolina. So I hope y'all enjoy this video today. I hope this video encourages you if you've been contemplating homeschooling your children. Of course, homeschooling is not for everybody. I totally get that, just like anything else in life. Just like gardening is not for everybody. Homesteading is not for everybody. We're all individuals. That's the beauty of life, right? That's what makes the world go around. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoy this video, and come see what our day is going to be like.
Looking that.
I know.
Oh. One day we gotta buy a fly spray.
I know. Gotta put some spray back on. Come on, baby. All ready to go get started? All right.
Come.
Well, let's go.
All right, let's go through this door.
You can't go through that door. It's locked. box turtle.
It's a box.
About the only kind besides the snapping turtle that we have. You can pick him up. Just always when you pick them up, just pick them up by their shell like that. See him go inside?
Oh, he's scared. I want cutie pie. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my.
It's okay. Get back in the woods. Get back in the woods.
Well, see, it was meant for us not to come this way. We'd have run over him and not knowed it.
Well, you like that tree fell.
Mm-hmm. Well guys, I hope y'all really enjoyed this video today. Coming along with us on our first day of school. It was very eventful, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tell y'all every day is not like what you saw today. Some days are a lot shorter. Some days we may not even open the books. It just depends on what we've got going on. That's the wonderful thing about homeschooling. It's very flexible. You know, every day looks different. Every single day looks different. Some days are lots of fun. Some days me and the kids get along great. And then there's some days the kids are at each other's throats as soon as they wake up. Anybody with siblings knows that I ain't lying. But I want to leave this video with a few thoughts of mine, some things that weigh on my heart occasionally in regards to children in school and such. I'm not the mom that's going to stand here and tell you, yes, you've got to homeschool your kids. You've got to pull them out of the public schools. I'm not that person. I am not that person. I did what I felt like God led me to do when I pulled my youngins out, but that may not be your calling. You know, you may be a single parent, or you may have to have 2 incomes. I totally get that. Totally get that. And I feel like sometimes people feel like I judge them because their kids go to public school, my kids are homeschooled. And I want anyone to realize that that is the farthest thing from the truth. I am for all children. I'm the mom that is for all the kids. And if that's the best thing for your family, then go for it. You know, you do what you got to do, and I'll do what I got to do. I totally get it. And if you're thinking about homeschooling and you're nervous about it, don't know whether it's for you, I hope this video has encouraged you today and shown you how easy it can be. It can be as easy or as hard as you want to make it. Like I said, we don't do 6 hours of school, y'all. We just don't. We just don't. My brain can't function that long, and the youngins' attention spans are not that long. So, if you have any questions about homeschooling, feel free to reach out to me. I'll help where I can. Like I said, I'm kind of a newbie. There's a lot more experienced people floating around YouTube with a lot more experience than myself. But that's just my take on it. I want, as long as your kids, y'all, as long as your kids are fed, educated, taken care of, roof over their head, clean clothes, and they're clean, you know, and you're doing the best you can as their mother, you know what? That is plenty. That is plenty, and you are rocking it as a mom, no matter where they go to school at. So, anyways, guys, I hope these ending thoughts meant something to you today. And like I said, hope this video has encouraged somebody. If you know somebody, a friend or anything that may be thinking about homeschooling, share this video with them. Maybe it'll give them a little encouragement. So, anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next one.